sorry you guys. So as you can see, I'm a little bit dressed up. I actually just filmed a new Halloween makeup tutorial on my channel. I'm going to call this the Golden Goddess look. I actually wanted to dress up as a goddess for this Halloween because there's a little bit of a message inspired behind this makeup look for all the beautiful women who are out there working hard, grinding, and doing their thing. So I wanted to kind of embody Halloween, but also a beautiful words of wisdom to the beautiful ladies out there. So this is the look I came up with. Maybe it's not the best look, but hey, I did what I wanted. I just took an old dress that I had, a white dress, and then just had this from last year's Halloween and just put it together. But I'm so excited. This is going to be a fun one to edit. And I hope you guys really enjoy it because I really enjoyed the process behind putting on the makeup and putting the look together. And I love this headband goddess thingy. But anyways, so I hope you guys enjoy the video.